said, hey, I got a voucher. Wow. This is my step challenge. See. So I redeemed the voucher.
Probably you encourage everyone to run from now on.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, take care. I got the voucher gift. I redeemed the voucher, you see. See my redeem voucher, Lazada voucher, $5. Take a look the serial number. Yes. So you must work. What is inside? Let me check. I believe I order is iPhone headphone. Wow, very hard. So my friend, you must work more. You can get voucher.
What you get?
Once you get voucher, then you can buy in online. I buy in Lazada. Free. See? Take a look. It's free of charge. This is the voucher. As you can see here, I go to Lazada. Here. The $5 charge is totally free. Never pay anything. This is the headphone over here. This headphone I buy $5. I just use the voucher. So take a look. Wow. Yes. Wow, buy one free. Wow. Surprise, man. Wow. Lucky my wife coming, I give to her one. She will be more happy. This for iPhone, this for my wife Xiaomi. She loves Xiaomi. So make sure every day we step on the voucher. Then you can redeem. You can buy in online so many things. Also you can buy in here. As you can see, once you complete tier 1, tier 2, they will give you 1,500 point. You can buy $10 NTC voucher. You can buy so many things. Where to buy? Just simple, click on redeem. So my wallet is 0 because I already used my point. But now if you all have point, just go to catalog, and here all you can buy from Lazada. You can use your MasterCard, EasyLink card, Fair Price, NTC voucher. There's a lot. Those who like to go jalan-jalan like Singapore Zoo, Bat Park, Night Safari, also you can redeem the voucher over here. There's a lot. So I have just redeemed $5 of MasterCard. I can buy from Giant Market, buy something, and also from Lazada I buy dress, family dress with my family. So I already have used this. So make sure every day run, every day walk. As you can see my history. হুজুরে যে দৌড় দেয় কুটি কুটি দৌড় খুব ভালো লাগে। আমাদের টার্গেট আজকে আমরা 20 কিলোমিটার পার করব। So it's a very simple step. Once you have point, once you get the health point will be appear here. Click on my reward. Then you go to catalog. Then you press. You want to do which one you want to buy. For example, go to Lazada. I don't have points, so I cannot redeem. Click on redeem, so you can buy whatever you want. And also from the SMRT card, if you are using EasyLink card, from the behind of the card, behind of your card, this number once you type here, they will ask you for 4-digit or password. So once you update your 4-digit or password, you redeem, then you can get $10 off easily cut very easily. Thank you for watching.